I'm going to start the base of our piece today with the light color, making the magic ring and in sequence 3 currents. Now inside the magic ring, I will work 15 double crochet, not counting the chains. In total, we will have 16 points. Close the magic ring and make a slip stitch. Here in the third stream. Now I go on, making 3 chains to start the second round. I make 1 more double crochet here on the first point. And at the next point, let's make 2 double crochet, which corresponds to an increase. Here on this second lap, we go to work, 2 double crochet for each base point. So let's take a total of 32 points. In the sequence, we will make 1 slip stitch. Here in the third stream. Closing the second lap. I make 3 chains. And I come here at the next point. And I make 2 double crochet, 1 increase. At the next point, I make 1 double crochet. Next increase. I make a point arrays all around. I make 1 slip stitch. In the third stream, 3 chains. At the next point, I make 1 double crochet. And at the next point, 1 increase. We're going to go this way. Making 2 double crochet, 1 increase. All around. And on the last repetition, we will not do. And we will have 3 free double crochet at the end. So guys, I got 3 free double crochet here at the end. And now we are going to do a chain. I turn the piece. And let's work 1 single crochet for every point on the base. So I will continue making 1 point for every point until you get there at the end. Ready, guys? I got here at the end. I made 1 streamer. I skipped 2 points here at the beginning. Next point on the third, we will work 6 double crochet. I jump 1 point. No, in the next point, work single crochet. Loop jump 1 point from base. Next, or work 6 double crochet. Jumps 1 point from the base. At the next point, I do single crochet. And I will keep doing it this way. Jumping 1 point, making 6 double crochet at the same point as the base. Then skipping a stitch and making the single crochet. Let's repeat this by 12 times. After doing the 12 repetitions, we will keep making 5 single crochet, 1 point for each point. Then I jump 2 points from the base. And at the next point, we're going to loop needle twice. Introduce needle pickup thread, tie. Take out 2 and 2 straps, making treble crochet. Here in this same space, we are going to work 10 points equal to these. Ready, guys? Now I will skip a point from the base in the next point, which is in our last point. Make a slip stitch, a chain and the finish of the thread. Now I come here in first low point after the fan of 6 double crochet. With the red color, I learn the wire as a chain. In the next point, I will do 5 double crochet, already hiding this leftover wire. So let's work 5 double crochet at the same point as the base. Then skip a period, and at the next point I do slip stitch and the finish. Now with the color yellow, I come here at first, second, treble crochet. I pick up the wire, and I make 3 little chains, 1, 2, 3. I will tie. At the same point, I introduce the needle, already hiding the leftover wire. I look for my wire, loop shooting 2 straps. Loop at the next point, insert the needle, already hiding the leftover bow wire. 2 handles shot. Now I'm going to tie and pull all the straps at once. Then I make 2 chains and a slip stitch. And at the last double crochet. Then I'll cut and finish. With tapestry needle. One point after the nozzle, we will work 3 chains. With the color red, come back at the same point. And I make a double crochet here. Then I work 2 chains and another slip stick at the same point as the base. At the next point, make 1 single crochet. At the next point, I make the slip stitch. 3 chains. Now I make a double crochet at the same point. Two chains and 1 slip stitch in the same space. At the next point, make 1 single crochet. And let's repeat again. I repeat 4 times and finish. And this is the result of our crochet piece today. What is this chicken model cup holder? I hope you enjoyed it. I thought it was cute. Leave here in the comments what you thought of this piece. It's a super simple piece and quick to do, but it looks very cute. So if you like, don't forget to leave your like and also subscribe here on the channel if you are not registered yet. Waiting for you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching me here. Until the next